Hi everyone, I'm Jordan Levy, the founder and executive director of CapSource. We're an edtech company looking to help higher ed institutions build and scale their experiential learning programs. We're really excited about the different software and services that we offer, ultimately to help schools integrate more companies and their challenges into the education process for their students. We think that the challenge really lies twofold. One, identifying those organizations that are interested in participating in the engagements, and two, designing those engagements so that they align company objectives with course learning objectives so that everyone could win. So to quickly go through some features of our website, we have a system where we can onboard all three stakeholders and ultimately prepare them for these learning experiences. If you are at any point interested in a personal demo, you can book some time with us just by accessing this button on our homepage. So we really started off by going to schools and asking, what are the types of things that you really need in order to scale your programs? And company access was the first thing, so that's the first thing that we built. So you'll see this is a directory that can be configured, searched, and sorted through based on all different types of criteria, the departments that are open for collaboration, the size of those industry parties, the type of collaborations they're open to. And each one of these profiles has a great deal of information about the organizations, so you can learn more about them. And you can also see some sample engagements based on the types of projects they're interested in working on with students. So for example, if data management is one of the topics that you're interested in, you can actually take a look and see what types of projects we mean when we say data management. The second part I wanted to quickly show you is the opportunity for schools to showcase their programs now through our platform. So obviously lots of different institutions, different sizes with different constraints and programs, but ultimately what makes us most proud is the opportunity to connect them with companies based on pretty narrow academic requirements that they come up with. So as a specific example, we'll go into University of Notre Dame. They source about 50 companies through us each year, mainly for the purposes of giving their MBA students some hands-on real-world experience. So in this case scenario, you can actually go through and check out a specific collaboration request that they put together. Collaboration requests are pretty exciting because they showcase the specifics of the engagements that are relevant. So you'll actually get a chance to showcase the types of students that are participating, the format that you're interested in using, course details, collaboration requirements, the timeline that you want companies to work through, and you'll notice those departments again. The nice, neat way at the end of these pages to express interest for companies, they'll ultimately create a project charter, which we'll actually show you here. Once they submit their project idea, out pops project charters. And project charters are pretty much a learning contract that defines the goals and objectives for the engagements. So anything from the specific milestones and deliverables all the way through the company profile that's involved. So in this case, we chose a Campari engagement, and we are really excited that they'll be working with Notre Dame this fall through a capstone kind of small team consulting project. You can learn all about the program on our website and get a sense for who's involved and how. The last thing to kind of mention here is there's actually an opportunity to completely white label this entire system. We call it CapSource Connect. It's free if you use it through our platform. Obviously, there are services we can help you source and design the engagements, or if you do that yourself, it's completely free. Or you can go with the tack that SUNY Potsdam did, which is essentially the opportunity for the institution to fully white label and customize their platform. So in this case scenario, they have their own employer network, they have their own collaboration formats that they're sourcing for. So you'll notice there's actually a couple of unique formats here that we don't necessarily offer: job shadowing, micro internships, and service learning for that matter. It's a whole functioning ecosystem for them. So really they have their own About Us page, their own contact page, and their own blog to really drive more traffic towards experiential learning at their school. We really hope that this demo was helpful and inspires you to book a more formal demo with us. We appreciate your interest in experiential learning, and we look forward to hopefully more opportunities to engage with you in the future.